Oh, we got a mark. Oh, there he goes. Got him. Oh yeah. Is that a brookie? Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of LastCast Outdoors. Today we're gonna be doing some mountain ice fishing today. We are gonna target some nice big tiger trout and I'm very excited for that. We also have other trout in here like rainbow and cutthroat, but mostly we're gonna be catching some big tiger trout and I'm very excited for that. So far the day has been kind of rough. We got a lot of snow recently and I'm in the high mountains and when I got here, there was a lot of snow and I thought my auger would be able to drill a hole, but I literally cannot drill the ice because it bottoms out my auger. Like my auger bit goes all the way down and it doesn't even finish cutting all the ice. I don't have an extension on me, but the good news is I did find someone's holes and I broke all that ice and slush and everything and I was able to get one hole. But I'm really excited to catch some really big trout in here. I got everything set up. I got my hole drilled / dug out and let's just catch some fish. All right guys, I'm about to drop down. The lure I'm using is this really cool orange spoon and then attached to it is a glow stick and it really helps when it's really dark down there. Those fish can see the lure and stuff and it gets a little bit more attention, which is good. I already marked a couple, which is awesome. So we're gonna drop down and see if we can catch one real quick. About 15 feet of water, which is really nice. There we go. I saw a mark around 8 feet. Oh, there's a mark at 12. Let's go get him. Oh, there's a mark. See if he'll take it. He seems aggressive. He's going up to it a little bit, which is good. Let's drop it down a little bit. Well, unfortunately with that fish not biting, in a couple minutes I'm probably going to switch to something else. He seemed interested in it. He kept swimming towards it, which is good, but it might be a little too much for them. So we'll just change stuff until it works, but I really want to use stuff that glows because there's just so much snow on this ice and looking down that hole, it is literally dark. So I think anything that glows will probably be the ticket. All right, let's go to something a little bit smaller. All right, got a glow in the dark tungsten with waxy on the end of it. Just charging it up and see if this helps. Saw a mark at 12 already. Oh, we got a mark. Oh, there he goes. Dude, he just came in and smoked it. That was epic. Look how long my transducer is. All right, let's see here. Got him through the hole. Now we gotta get him through the slush. Oh yeah. Come on, buddy. Is that a brookie? Oh my gosh, it's a brookie. All right, guys, check that out. 15-inch. I think it's a brook trout. I need to double check his spots. There's no red or blue spots on him, so I need to check, but this might be a brook trout or something else, but it is super beautiful. Look at that. Chunky belly on him. Let's let this guy go. Alrighty then. That caught me off guard. I need to double check on Fish Brain what type of trout are in here, but that could be anywhere from a brook trout, a splake, and that might be my new PB for something. I don't know, but I already see a couple marks, which is good. So we're gonna put another worm on because that worked really well. But like I said, the ice conditions are just not that good. I'm on about probably 6 to 8 inches of snow, and then in between that is water, and then between that is more snow, and then you hit the ice. So I mean, there's a lot of slush going on here, but right now it's been staying really nice and not getting everything super wet. But it's kind of scary seeing that there's a ton of water even before you get to the ice, which is kind of scary, but it's been doing pretty good. Ooh, we got a mark. Oh yes, smoked it. There's the tigers. All right, our first tiger trout of the day. Decent little size. He is wild, which is nice. And he just smoked it. Let's let him go. See you, buddy. I just got bit. Oh, that was a light bite. Hopefully he doesn't pop off. Tiger, let's go, baby. All right, guys, a nice, healthy tiger trout. Beautiful pattern. He is nice and fat. Thanks for biting, buddy. Let's let him go. Well, we got a little snow blizzard coming through, which is wonderful. It was not supposed to snow today, but I guess it's gonna snow. Oh, nice. We already got a mark. Got a mark at 13. See if he's still there. Whoa, what the heck? That's a mark, that's a mark. He might just smoke it. There he goes. Let's go. Ooh, nice tiger. All right, guys, another tiger trout. Really pretty pattern on him. Nice little back. Dude, he smoked that. Let's let him go. Ooh, there's a mark. Got him. Yeah, boy. You drilled it. Take the transducer out. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Another one. Is that the same one? All right, guys, check that out. A beautiful, healthy brook trout. He is absolutely gorgeous. This is probably a 13, 14 inch brookie. Beautiful, nice and fat. Let's let him go. See you, buddy. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. I gotta head out of this canyon. We have a really bad blizzard outside. I'm really happy we caught some fish. I can't believe we caught some brookies. I was not expecting that at all, and that was so much fun. And if you guys enjoy these videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. See ya.